Well, guys, it's another beautiful day. Yeah, well, it's not really a beautiful day. It's very scuddy looking. But we are out at the junkyard, and look at what we have found. Oh my God, let the 5.8 351 comments fly. We found another van. It's got a, it's got a 351 in it. It's a 94. Should be a roller. But yeah, it's just sitting here. We have no idea what was wrong with it. If anything was, what the deal was. The motor looks very clean. We found an old crescent wrench too. I know that's a big deal, right? But we'll soak it in some oil. Maybe it'll start working and make a good junkyard. Anyway, the motor, it could be anything as to how this thing ended up in here, but the motor looks pretty good. I mean, it's not all, it doesn't look like it was leaking real bad or anything like that. So who knows? Anyway, there's yet another one out here. All right, well, we got to go. We got important things to do. Well, not really, but we got a lot of stuff to do. We're always busy and So, all right, we're out. Here we go once again. We are, we've walked up. They just set this down. It's not even on, the stands that they make out of rims. They just set it off to the side. 96 GT40s. And it's got the cool intake that doesn't have the throttle cable stuff on it because cable runs around. So pretty cool. Just out here waiting on someone to come liberate them, take them home. So anyway, all right. Well, it's almost lunchtime. Man, I am freaking hungry too. I didn't eat breakfast. Not that any of you guys care about that, but I care about it. So anyway, let me get off here and we'll go get ready for lunch. And here we go again at the junkyard. It's a 97, but it's an early one. It was a 10/96 manufacture date, so it is a GT40 headed one. Just sitting here waiting on someone to come and get the heads and the intake off of it. So still out there. And hold on, well, let's just go ahead and do this real quick. We'll just walk over here, and here's another one. 2000. It is smashed to hell though. This would be some problems trying to get this out, getting the radio. Ooh, front dress would be a monster. P heads, yay, they're out here. So all right, let's go look around a little bit more. It is almost lunchtime. Man, I'm getting hungry. I know that I say that like all the time. You guys are probably like, yeah, whatever, we know. So, all right, let's go. And the van that had the 5.8 in it, yeah, someone liberated. This isn't the blue van that we're always looking at. This is the tan van that was here like last week, had a 5.8 roller in it, and someone liberated that bad boy. And they just, yeah, they got the forklift out here and popped it out. But it's sitting on the end of the row, so that makes it easy to get to. So there we go, it's out. So all right, well, let's go eat lunch, man. I'm getting hungry now. All right, we're out here at the JY, and we've got a, there it is, axle code D2. That is a 410 limited slip. It's in a Explorer Limited. It's a V6, two-wheel driver. So that might be something we might look at grabbing. I don't know what we would need it for or why we need it, but you know how it is. It's just one of those things. We think we need it. Maybe we'll use it. Oh well. All right, well, let's go look around some more. Hey guys, we are out here in the junkyard. It's about 37 degrees, which means for us southern guys, it's pretty cold. For you northern guys, that's bikini weather. But we're over here in the Ford section. We're just doing some recon, see if there's anything out here that we need. Oh, here we go. Look, it's a Mustang. Oh my God, it's a stick shift car. Are you kidding me? This is not what I needed to see today. Oh, damn it. Oh my God, it's a 2000 freaking V6 stick shift, and I honestly do not want to pull a transmission today. Damn. I may let this sit and come back. It's supposed to warm up this week, take off early one day and come out here and get it. Golly. All right, well, let me look around. Once more into the breach. Here's another freaking Explorer. Ooh, look at that. You don't see that in the South a lot. P heads, got the intake, throttle body, the whole deal. Let me let's take a look, see what we got here. It is axle code 45. Can't remember what that is. I think that's 373 non-track lock. So, but here we go. Here's a set of P heads, an intake, a throttle body, blah blah blah. You guys know all that crap. Let's go look around, see if we can find something else that we can't live without. We've already found a T5. Dang it. All right, let's go look. All right, guys, we're gonna go eat lunch real quick, and then we're gonna sort through our tools, make sure we got everything we need. Then we're gonna go back and get that stupid transmission. Dang it. All right. All right, guys, we are back in the JY. We're gonna get our transmission, our T5, and we'll be on our merry way. This probably shouldn't take too long. No big deal. Screwdriver in the front of the drive shaft. Get the, sorry, I'm messing this all up. Get the drive shaft bolts out, cross member, drop it down, pop the transmission bell housing bolts out, and away we go. So, all right, let me find something to lay on that isn't wet. We'll get this party started. Whew! And victory is ours. It's not horrible. Sounds good. So, go pull the shifter off, pull the front bearing retainer off to just to double check the main shaft like we always do. But I think we've got a winner. We pack up all our junk. Whew, and I already checked. It was going to be $60 again. So I'm happy with that. Let me get this all done. We also got the clutch fork. And let me get it out, check the main shaft. But I think we got us a winner. Man, those drive shaft bolts. Holy mackerel, they fought me. Woo, we got them though. All right, we gotta go. Okay, it's probably hard to see, but main shaft looks pretty good. It's not got any ridge or anything on it, so I think we're good to go here. Throw this baby on the trailer or on the wagon and take her home. Hi ho, hi ho, here's off to work we go. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh. Okay, guys, we're out here in the parking lot. We're in Krusty, that's right. The daily Fox life, you know how it is. Well, the transmission was $64.50. They charged me tax this time, so gladly pay it. Have another T5 laying around. You can never have too many of these, I don't guess. So at least that's my philosophy. So let's get it in the car and get it home. We brought another baby home. Jack's laying right there by the camera licking himself. Come on. So everybody can see you. Come on. All right, guys. Well, it's cold. Guess that wraps up our junkyard trip. And thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. And as always, thanks for watching. So until next time, me and Jack, we'll see you later. We're going to work on some Mustangs. Like, what? Freak. All right, we'll see you guys later. Come on.